Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'd like to join the giveaway from Bearsback, hashtag Bearsback, and he would like us to rake, rock or zip a log for him. Got the Stabilit A40 here, and I'm going to rake it for you. So let's see how that... I'm not the best raker or zipper or whatever. First, I'm going to use the city rake. Of course, now it doesn't work. I tried it before, but there we go. Alright, so this log has spools in it. And let's use this little snaky or whatever that is. Was a little faster. Well, that's all for today. Little quick giveaway entry for Bearsback. Check out his channel. Link is in the description. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.